Okay everyone, today we are going to learn about class and object. I don't really like theories too, but let's go and read a little summary from Rapid Schools and then go to our Jupyter lab to write our code. Okay, Python is class-oriented, Python is object-oriented programming. We will learn about object-oriented in the lessons, but not today. Maybe after 10 or 12 lessons we will learn about it. How we can create a class. A class is like an object constructor or a blueprint for creating object. Class is where we can store something like storage. We can create a class, my class x5, and then recall it. Let me give you some example to know well about the classes. For example, think of an football team and soccer team. Every player have shooting as a function, and dribbling as a function, passing as a function, and have something that are solid, like for example height, shooting accuracy. These are solid, and every player have some solid things and also have some definition and comment to use. We don't create them every time for every player we need. For example, if you play FIFA, the company didn't make this for every player. They make one class and then change the data and give them to every players. Okay, create an object named P1 and print the value of x. Let's go and see. It created a class and gave it x5, and then when we create a class we must store something with a class, like what this line do. Okay, let me change it and say y is equal to 8, and then we can print px5 and then run. Wait, okay, let's, in this time, we open our Jupyter Notebook to this code run, until this code run. Okay, it's, why it's not working? Run it again. Okay, as you can see, it's print the 8. And the thing I said is running truly. But something you must know. When you want to give a class something as input, you need to use init function. That, right, like here, write it. By this you can give a class functions. Okay, let's paste it. As you can see, it create a class person and gave it name and age. This is the syntax of giving something to class, and you can change it absolutely after that. But this is the how you give it the first data for the class. Okay, let's go down. The init functions, the str functions. Okay, the init and the strings are object with str. You can get them with. Okay, we don't have a work with it. In classes, you can also define up the comments by the function, and you can call them like this. We call them. Okay, within itself. Also, you can modify them like this. Okay. It's an quite easy intro in classes. You can do this exercise until next lesson. We will go and do some class programming or maybe another project in pandas. Until tomorrow.